Supreme Court has censured a state judge after it came out that he'd been drinking on the job for years. It went on for more than a decade before Judge Brett Woods faced any action.
This was a judge who oversaw child custody cases and often decided the fate of families. 9 News reporter Ria Jha spoke with attorneys who say the length of the investigation makes it really hard to appeal the cases he was involved in. Right, Ria?
Yeah, documents say an employee first reported the problem 5 years ago. Woods admits to telling the judicial HR about the complaint before firing that employee. In 2023 is when other employees finally reported him again, and it was just last week he was finally censured.
I don't know what took so long in this case for the ultimate discipline to come out.
It took nearly a year for the Colorado Supreme Court to officially censure the former Denver Juvenile Court's presiding judge, Brett Woods, for drinking on the job.
Judge Woods was the presiding juvenile officer of the Denver Juvenile Court for a number of years, and as a result, we had many attorneys appearing in front of him.
Woods was a judge in Denver for 16 years, and Melanie Jordan's office knows him well. She's the policy director at the Office of Respondent Parents Counsel, representing impoverished parents in child custody cases.
The focus of our court.
In a 2016 interview with the City and County of Denver, Woods explained the cases he rules on in juvenile court.
Where parents have maybe gotten involved in drugs, or they're abusing alcohol, or they have mental health issues, and they're not being able to take care of their children the way they should.
Woods was suspended in December 2023 after an investigation by the Colorado Commission on Judicial Discipline revealed Woods was, quote, concealing alcohol in a Starbucks cup and is reported to use alcohol every day. Every day for years. The investigation found Woods fired one of his clerks for reporting his alcohol impairment back in 2019.
Nobody else felt that they could come forward during that intervening 4-year time frame.
The investigation also reported witnesses observing Woods to be, quote, disengaged in the performance of his judicial functions and often improperly delegate his decision-making to others.
For parents who are in these cases, having one positive UA or one positive breathalyzer means that your kids don't come home or that your rights are terminated. From 2019 to 2023, he did terminate over 100 parents' rights during that time frame.
Woods stepped down in February and admitted to the allegations. Jordan says this year-long investigation means the case involving parents terminated by Woods will be nearly impossible to appeal.
I absolutely think it would have been better for the parents that we represent to have answers earlier.
The Colorado Judicial Branch said they have no comments on the matter. Ria Jha, 9 News.
It's really sad all the way around, especially if someone has a problem, but you're talking about families and kids and breaking them up potentially.
Right, and he was a judge in Denver for 17 years, so you would imagine how long this has been going on for.
All right, okay. Thanks, Ria.